Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I know it's been long since I have uploaded one video. I'm extremely sorry for that, but things are really hectic these days. But winter is coming and Sadi season is around the corner. So keeping that in mind, I have ordered few things from Nykaa. So I thought why not I'll do an unboxing kind of a video with you guys. So today's video is all about that. So without any further delay, let's begin. So first I've ordered two things from MAC Cosmetics. So one is their foundation. So this is MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 foundation, which is in shade NC30. And this is a mini version and this costed me around 1799, which is really expensive, but I wanted to try this product, so I have ordered. And another one is their kajal. I have heard a lot of good things about this kajal, so I thought I'll just try this because other than MAC, I think I have already tried almost all the drugstore kajals that are available in Nykaa. So this is again a mini kajal. So yeah, this one. And then I have this huge package full of products. So first thing first, one skincare product. So this is Nykaa Skin Potion Oil, facial oil. My skin is extremely dry. It's literally Sahara Desert dry. So in winter I have to use one oil. Means if I skip oil, it will start flaking. So I thought I'll try this oil. So this is their 24K gold facial oil, and it retails for rupees 999, and I did not get any good discount on that, so yeah, it was around 950 or so. So next I've ordered one matte lipstick from Masaba, a very beautiful pink shade. Let me swatch it for you guys. This is a beautiful matte pink. Next up, I have one big micellar water from Garnier. This is their oil infused cleansing water. There are two variants available in this. One is little white in color, white and pink packaging, and this one comes in yellow. This is oil infused and this is very good for removing foundation and mascara. So I ordered this. This is a 400 ml bottle and it retails for rupees 499. Next up, I have two products from Nykaa Skin. One is their body lotion. This is in the variant Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom. This smells heavenly. And along with that, I have one body wash, and this is again from the Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom. This is probably 7th or 8th bottle that I am ordering. I basically use this one. This is extremely nourishing and the fragrance is just awesome. So that's that. Next up, I have three products. One is from K Beauty. This is K Beauty liner. This is their eye stylist liquid eyeliner. This looks something like this. Extremely simple, but I wanted to try a different eyeliner. Earlier I was using the Nykaa eyeliner, so I thought why not I'll try this one. So this is in variant black canvas. Their eyeliner has probably 5 to 6 variants, so I've ordered the normal black one. So that's that. I have one mascara from Nykaa. This is their Curl Power Mascara. Again, I was using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, so I thought I'll try a different one this time. So I ordered this. And then this one is again from Maybelline. This is their Define and Blend Brow Pencil. So earlier I was using the ELF Cosmetics brow gel, but I thought I'll try a different one this time, so I have ordered this one. This has a spoolie in one side and the pencil in other side. This is in deep brown shade, so this looks more natural than the black one. That's that. But not the least, I have one eyeshadow palette. So this is again by Nykaa. This is their Daydreaming palette. This is more of a neutral and pinkish shade. So yeah, It has all the fierce pink, matte pink, and bright pink, and shades of white and golden. So this can be used for day purpose, night purpose. So I thought I'll try this one. This was not costly. It was around 600 rupees. So I've already used the mini version of it. So I've ordered the big one. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching this. If you are wondering, this monkey has come. She was there throughout this video. But okay, she wanted to say goodbye. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Okay. So I'll try to upload the next video as soon as possible. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Goodbye.